Hi, I'm Darlene and welcome back to my channel, Super 60. I'm so excited today. I have so much to show you in just a wee bit of time. If I go over my normal, 15-minute time period, that's kind of what I frame my videos out to turn out to be. I apologize, but I just have so much that I want to show you, so much that I want to tell you, and I hope that you'll stick with me. First off, these t-shirts, and I'm not selling anything today. This is a non-sponsored video, but I have a couple things that I purchased myself recently. I'm out of breath. I just ran up the stairs and down the stairs because I forgot something. Anyway, I wanted to show you these things because I was so happy. You know, when you're really happy with a purchase, I mean, that's a pretty big deal these days. Usually they're packing them back up, sending them back, wrong size, wrong color, wrong this. I said shoes, you sent me a purse. It happens all the time. So I thought, these are two purchases that I made very recently within the last week and a half. And I wanted to show you guys in case you might be interested. My uniform, my summertime uniform, is a t-shirt of some kind and either a pair of jean shorts or a jean skirt. I wear jean skirts all the time, winter, summer. I just love them. They're comfortable, they're airy, they just feel good. And they make me feel very feminine too. So that's one of my #1 choices. But anyway, the t-shirt, the classic tee, even in the winter, a classic t-shirt with a light sweater over it works for me. You have those hot moments, you know what I'm talking about. I know you do. So anyway, let's get started. I ordered from this company called Eternal Light Company. I was looking for Christian t-shirts. I wanted something on them, that reminded me every day when I put it on of a scripture that was very important to me. And I'm either trying to memorize or just trying to know that every day I put it on, oh yeah, that's right, I gotta try and remember to do that today or be like that today. So anyway, the first one I have on is my most favorite, and it is the Fruits of the Spirits. I'll back up just a little bit. You can see it a little bit. I did order up one size because I like that, and I'm never sure of the washing. The washing in the dryer. Is it going to shrink just a little bit? Just enough so that I'll hate them. So I make sure that I go up a size. And I might suggest that to you. If you're borderline a certain size, a large or an extra large, I'd go extra large. That's just what I do. So, yeah, so this is beautiful. And of course it's love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, all those things. I want to have those memorized right off the tip of my tongue. And I thought, well, this is the perfect shirt. And my mom, bless her heart, she always told me, Dar, you always look so good in baby blue. Even when I was a little baby, she said, I put you in baby blue because you just look so beautiful. I do have a little bit of an olive complexion, so maybe that's why. Anyway, so that's one t-shirt, and I love it. They're comfortable. The material, it's like half cotton, half poly or something like that. It has just the right amount of a stretch or a give to it, so that it works with you, but yet it has enough of a firmness to it that you don't feel like you just bought these slinky little nothings. It is absolutely the perfect t-shirt, and that's why I'm on here telling you about these t-shirts. And I'm not going to get anything from this, I promise you. You guys know me. I'm just telling you because I love you guys. All right, so let me show you some of the other shirts just real quick, and I'll get them up close for you too so that you know. I love this shade of Heather. Trust, it says, just breathe, cast all your cares on him because he cares about you. That's 1 Peter 5:7, and it's just adorable. It's just so pretty. And don't let me forget to tell you about the pricing on these afterwards because that's pretty special too. His grace is enough. Just a nice blue t-shirt would be great with a red pair of shorts or a red skirt or something. Red slacks for 4th of July, or even white with a red jewelry or something. This one, I love this color. I don't know, what do you call this? Like a rust color of some kind. And it says, life is a beautiful gift, and that's Lamentations 3:23. See, aren't they just beautiful? I mean, it's just like one right after the other, and then this green is such a pretty spring green. Consider how the wildflowers grow, Luke 12:27, and I just think that is so doggone stinking pretty. I love it. All very beautiful verses. And then the last one I got was just this simple one. I've seen this before and I thought it was a cute design and I always wanted to have it. Sorry. It just says faith. And that is a good thing to look down and to remind yourself every day. And I did forget one. This one I put away for 4th of July, no matter what we're doing. I don't know what we're doing this year, but I love this one. It just says, God bless America, land that I love. And yes, I do love her. And that's in a nice cream color. Has a beautiful backing. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 t-shirts. And then I also bought this hat, because I always like that little fish sign, and baby blue. You know, it just all goes. What do you think? You think I look good in baby blue? Was my mom right? I don't know. So anyway, and then on top of that, when I opened the box, and look at the box it comes in. It's so nice. It's this beautiful white box, and it has the name of the company on it, Eternal Light Company, and it has a Bible verse on it. Let your light shine before others, Matthew 5:16. I was so excited when I got it. It just brought me so much joy. And I didn't even order these things. These are special little gifts that they throw in. This is a beautiful canvas bag. It says, be the light, again. It's a beautiful canvas bag. It's a good canvas. It's not cheap and chintzy. It's very good, and it has a nice bottom to it. So you can see it's got a good depth and a great size. Wow. A really nice book bag, a wonderful beach bag if you're going to the beach. They also threw in a beautiful little Be the Light sippy cup. Isn't that pretty? I think that is just so gorgeous, the color. And a straw that you just put right up in here in the top. And what else did they send? Oh, they sent this little bracelet. It's just one of those little white stretchy bracelets. It says, let your light shine. Yeah, that's also Matthew. I'm going to stick this on. I like these kind of bracelets because I can get them on and off fast. And then they also sent a little pouch of Heavenly Roast organic Arabica coffee from this company, Eternal Light Company. So I just was thrilled to get all this. Guys, these t-shirts are $25 a piece, which I thought was a great deal. But they're buy one, get one free. Right now, they're buy one, get one free. So I was happy. I was so happy. All right, I'm moving along here because I'm happy. The next thing I bought, I love aprons. I really do. I love a bib apron. I don't like anything too furry or you know, ruffly or too much print on it. But what I really like are just these little half aprons, just like that. You know, just a half apron. This is a combination of cotton and linen. It feels so wonderful, and I love it because it comes around a little further than some of the other ones. So for some reason, I don't know why. And a lot of times my hands are gooey and messy, and I'm constantly doing this. So I'm thrilled about my little half aprons. I'll show you up close a little bit of the fabric. Maybe you can see it better in a lighter color. I don't know, but it's got the 2 pockets in front. I also got this color, kind of a creamy beige, and I got white. This is just a white. Gotta have a white apron, right? For when you're dealing with flour, that's when you need it. This would be pretty. Yeah, white. I always put a black apron on when I'm doing bread or something. I don't know why. I don't mean to. It's just one of those things. I don't know. And then I got a gray. This was a whole set of 4 of these aprons, and I want to say $25 for the whole set. The whole set of 1, 2, 3, 4 aprons. I'm sorry. Yeah, 4 aprons. And they too came in this cute little pouch. I can't remember the name of this company right now, but before I put the video out, I will absolutely make sure that you get the name and all the information that you need for all that. All right, and then, okay, so let's talk. I tricked you all a little bit. Well, it's not a trick at all, but I teased you all, that's it, about something happening in our life. You know, there's something going on in our life right now, and I'm going to tell you about it. And oh my goodness, I think you guys said a cookbook. Well, thank you for that. That's nice, but no, that's not it. Oh, new grandbaby. That was probably the number one, was new grandbaby. And no, that's not it. What was some of the other ones? Oh gosh, a couple of them were moving. And bingo! That's it. We are moving. We are moving. If you've been with me for a while, I think last September on my birthday, Lou and I went out. We had a great day together, and we went house looking. And I even took you with me. We looked at a house, and it wasn't really what I was looking for. So we did not get it. We've been to see other houses since, and nothing, just nothing, nothing, nothing. And still nothing, still nothing. We still do not have a direct house that we're going to, nor an area. I don't even know. We have certain ideas that we're thinking of where we're always kind of looking, but we don't have it exactly yet. Excuse me, some sun tea. But yeah, and I'm telling you because there may be a couple glitches in how I get my videos out. You know, I might miss a week, or instead of 2 a week, maybe just 1 a week. I don't know. Maybe that'll happen, maybe it won't. But I can guarantee you that you'll see less and less of things behind me. You'll see, I'll show you over there, those boxes already starting up in the family room. The bedrooms are boxes up there. We are boxing constantly. Usually Lou will take a room and I'll take a room, and we'll just kind of go to town, open the closets. And you know, we talked last time about the difficulties sometimes in aging homemaking. Well, how about aging moving? Good grief. Aging moving, are you kidding me? It's hard work. I mean, it is laboriously, which would I say there? It's a lot of labor. It's a lot of hard work, you know, picking up things, just boxing stuff, taping, and moving them to a corner when they're really heavy. You know, I think we pretty much decided we're not going to buy any more of the large boxes, because I don't want my husband picking them up. He can, but I don't want him to. And we've got upstairs things that have to come downstairs. We've got downstairs things that have to come upstairs. And I think if we buy the medium boxes, that'll be better for us. What do you guys think? How many of you have moved in your 60s, 70s, you know, 50s even? How many of you have moved from a house you've been in for 25 years, you raised your family in, and you've got stuff. You just got stuff. We've given a lot away, and we're continuing to give a lot away. I'm trying to get rid of my dining room set and some other things, but it's hard. It's hard. Tell me your experience of moving. Good grief. It's not easy. It's not easy, especially when you don't know exactly where you're going, but you know you want to get out ASAP. Yeah, so that's where we are. That was my secret, and I'll let the cat out of the bag. So now you guys know one of these days I may end up in a new house, or a new to me house, or a new house. I don't know. We don't know that yet either. So I would appreciate in the comments anything that has to do with the cute t-shirts, the cute aprons, or especially moving, middle-aged moving. Yeah, I would like to do that. But one other thing I want to stick in today's video, of course, is a simple supper. So let me show you what I made for our Sunday supper. All right, well, for dinner tonight, I really needed to make it easy. We've been so busy all day. So I relied upon my the things that I did last week. I showed you on video how I prep for the week for my vegetables, and making sure I have meat that's prepared and ready in the refrigerator to go at a moment's notice. And that's exactly what I used tonight. That hamburger I pulled out and was all ready to go. The cut up veggies all ready to go, both the peppers and the onions. All I had to do was throw it in a bowl, add a couple eggs, some salt, pepper, a little bit of seasonings to your likings. Everybody has their own favorite meatloaf. And of course, you know, I'm gonna add my own sourdough seasoned breadcrumbs. Oh my goodness, are they delicious? And here I'm adding just a little bit of pesto. I had it, and it is always so delicious in an Italian meatloaf. And I call this an Italian meatloaf really because I do use garlic and onion powder and all those things, and the spices that make it kind of Italian. If I had fresh herbs like parsley or basil, I would have added that too. And here, after I've mixed it, but don't mix it, a lot of people over mix a meatloaf and it makes it a little tough, so not too much. Just pat it in the pan, kind of in a football shape. That's what I like to do. And throw it in the oven at 350. All the directions will be down below for you. Halfway through the baking, I'll pull that meatloaf out, and I'm gonna put this delicious sauce over it. It is so very simple, just your ketchup and your mustard. I think I'm using some organic mustard here and ketchup, and a little bit more of a sweetener. You can use just a little bit of white sugar, cane sugar. You can use brown sugar. Right now, I'm showing you here, I'm gonna use some coconut sugar. I don't notice the difference, I just don't. So I'm gonna put in probably about 2 good heaping teaspoons of this delicious coconut sugar. Give it a good mix, and then when my meatloaf comes out halfway through at about 20-25 minutes, I will put this right over the top, put it back into the oven, and just let it bake away and take it back out, and it will be absolutely delicious. And here I'm just going to put what could be easier, really, putting a pot of chopped up potatoes in hot water and then dressing them up a little bit, and there it is, so beautiful. My Sunday potatoes, I like to add all kinds of things, salt, pepper, milk, butter, sour cream, just smash it all up. I even leave the skins on with red potatoes, and there you have it, the most delicious Sunday supper. It was such a beautiful, beautiful evening. We decided to take our meal and sit outside in our summer house and just enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you so much for joining me on this crazy, silly video. I'm telling you, sometimes you just never know what Darlene's going to pull out here. But I did get you a simple supper in there, and it was a very simple supper because I was so prepared with that meat that I thawed out from last week. And it was all ready to go. The veggies, they were already chopped up, ready to go. I barely had to do anything to throw that together, but chop up a few potatoes and throw them in a pot and some frozen peas. So yeah, it was very, very easy. And oh boy, was it delicious. Those sourdough crumbs, they are just so, so good. I have to do a giveaway one of these days. If anybody wants some of my sourdough crumbs, I'll make some for you and send them out to you. I don't know if I could do that or not, but I guess I could. I don't know, we'll see. We'll talk about it, okay? Thanks so much for joining me. And if you have never subscribed to Super 60 to my channel, I'd love to have you here. I really would do. I really, really would. I never wear a hat, but I just love this hat. On video, I don't wear a hat, but around town and stuff, yeah, I like to wear a hat. I like to pull my ponytail up, back in the back. That's my favorite look, my favorite summer look. So I hope that you'll take advantage of some of these deals. I call them deals. And let me know if you do and how you like them when they arrive. It didn't take long for this package to come, the aprons nor the box of the t-shirts. So I was real happy. All right, thank you again. I'll see you soon. Bye now, and Lord bless.